Hello, this is Nathan McEwen. I am making a video for the video project. It will be on editing the turtle.java that already exists, as I'm having trouble with creating a new world or class per se. So first I will open the turtle.java, and since we are adding a method, we will come down here to methods. Underneath the main string, here's the method explaining the turtle. I'll give myself some room. Come down. I am going to first put the pen up as the pretty much the turtle is starting smack dab in the middle of the world that is creating. I'm actually going to define that real quick with 400 by 400. That will give me a 400 pixel by 400 pixel. Now I will make him, the turtle, do pen up, and that will make him stop drawing, so I can teleport him to where I want the first letter to be. So, pen up. I'm going to give myself some extra room real quick. I'm going to name it drawing the turtle, or sorry, drawing the first letter, which is N with the turtle. N. Alright, and that will be the turtle moving, T1, move to 100, 300. And that will be the first, the bottom left of the N that we'll be creating. And now I will tell the turtle to put his pen down so he can start drawing. Now he will move, and making the first line, move to 100, 200, because I'm going to just make it by 100 lines, or sorry, 100 pixel line. Make it caught in error. That's why we compile. Now to run. Sorry, let me get that. Oh, there's already a line there. Oh, forgot to get rid of this. Alright, let's recompile it again. Run. See, that's why we have the compile and why we double check. Alright, so that's the first line where the turtle's going to start drawing. Now, the actual showing of the turtle is going to be, well, it's going to keep popping up behind the screen, so I'll try my best to just put that out front. Alright, so continuing on to the end, we're going to have T1. I'm going to use a whole bunch of move to commands, as it will be quicker, or I think it will be quicker, than doing the forward turning. Excuse me. To make all of the, pretty much just using it at one less command each time. Save a little, time. 50, 100. Compile. Let's see what that gets us. Okay, a little too long. Alright, so 150 over, 100 down, so it needs to be 200. There we go. There we go. And that is the end. Done. So now we will draw the 8. Come down a little bit, give us some extra room, and then I will start coding. So I will now move first put the pen up so I can move it. Pen up. Then I will move the pen, move the turtle. Move to, let's do 200, and then 300. Compile. Nothing wrong. Okay. Now we will put the pen down. Then we will make the turtle jump up. Well, actually, no, not jump. We'll just T1 move 2 200 200. Now let's double check. Complete. Run. There's our first line of the 8. Now let's go. $250, 200. Sorry, misclicked. Let's check out what happened there. Sorry. There we go. And then we have most of the other 8. Alright. T1 move 2 200 300. There we go. Now we have the. Now I just gotta put that line in the middle and hide the turtle, and then we'll be good. T1 move to 200 250. It's done halfway, so we're good. We're in the clear. T1 move to 250 250. That has one too many zeros. Compile, run. Alright. There's my neat. Alright. And then we'll just hide the turtle. Yeah, so that just looks like my. Ta-da! I made my name. Didn't use the interaction panes down here. That will be all. Yeah, that'll be all.